In this video, we look at the Copy Style tool in Canva. Need the same style elsewhere? Copy Style does it instantly. Make sure you have your design open in the Canva workspace. To use Copy Style, first click on the element that has the style you want to copy. Then, click the Copy Style button in the toolbar or find it under the three dots. Alternatively, you can use the Control, Alt, and C keyboard shortcut. Then Control, Alt, and V to apply the style. A black notification box will pop up saying Style Copied to Clipboard. Not only do you get the notification box, but you'll also notice that the little paint roller icon changes from a white fill to black. To apply the copy style, just click on the element you want to change. You will need to use the Copy Style button each time you want to apply a style change. Unfortunately, you cannot apply it to more than one at a time. This tool is a lifesaver when you want to keep things consistent across your design. No need to manually adjust every font, color, or effect. Just copy and paste the style to keep everything looking cohesive. If you copy a style but don't apply it to another element and instead click anywhere on the canvas, Canva will apply the color of the copied style to your background instead. Hope you enjoyed this Copy Style tutorial. Subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.